Hello and welcome to the village of North Palm Beach. Today let's discuss stormwater runoff. Have you ever wondered about those grassy strips next to our roads? They might look simple, but they're doing some heavy lifting for our community. These grassy areas are called swales, and they play a crucial role in our village's drainage system. Swales aren't just for landscaping, they're designed to manage stormwater runoff. By doing so, they prevent flooding, recharge groundwater, reduce erosion, and improve water quality. When it rains, water flows into the swales, soaking into the ground instead of flooding our streets or overloading storm drains. This process helps replenish our groundwater, which is very important in areas prone to saltwater intrusion. It's normal for swales to remain full for up to 72 hours after it rains. Swales also act as natural filters, cleaning stormwater of pollutants like oil, fertilizers, and debris before they reach our waterways. By slowing down water flow, they help reduce erosion, keeping our village's infrastructure safe and intact. And here's something you might not know. Swales are also home to several underground utilities like water lines, sewer lines, and gas lines. So it's really important not to plant big trees in these areas since their roots can damage these buried utilities, leading to costly repairs. To keep our swales working effectively, they need a bit of TLC. Keeping them free of debris and maintaining swale vegetation are simple ways to ensure they continue to benefit our community. In short, swales are an investment in a healthier, more resilient future for North Palm Beach. So the next time you see one, remember, it's not just a patch of grass, it's a vital tool for a sustainable community. Thanks for tuning in. Let's keep our village green and thriving.